Joining now is longtime Buffett watcher Bill Smead, Chief Investment Officer at Smead Capital Management, a big shareholder too, Bill. By the way, we don't talk a lot about Berkshire's performance lately. Are you satisfied?
Well, yeah, it's a completely different kind of animal from what we normally own. And we don't own as large a percentage of it in our portfolio as we used to, because to quote Buffett and Munger themselves, they're so large that their opportunity set is much smaller, and we're at 5 billion-ish. We have so many more opportunities to us that Buffett might be interested in if he had a smaller pool of capital.
And what do you think he's kind of talking about there with this Oxy acquisition?
Well, it's funny because we wrote a piece 4 or 5 weeks ago saying drilling for oil on the New York Stock Exchange, and now we find out Exxon is kicking the tires at Pioneer, and then there's Chevron, who offered to buy Anadarko before Oxy did, and so wouldn't it be ironic if Buffett ended up having Chevron buy Oxy, and Buffett end up with over 20% of the much larger combined company, which is all very possible.
So you think he has designs perhaps on just a larger stake in the energy business? And would you say that that is one of the only big bets he's making right now? I mean, he did talk a lot about how much he likes Apple and Taiwan Semi, even though he's paired a stake there and things like that.
Yeah, his silence speaks volumes. He is making his investment in the oil business. He said overnight, I watched the show this morning from 3 to 6 o'clock West Coast time, and he said that we're going to need the oil for a lot longer, a lot longer. And Greg Abel would know more as the head of Berkshire Hathaway Energy than anybody on how long and how profitable it will be. So therefore, he's comfortable. It's hard for him to get money in to Oxy now because the casino effect that Munger talked about a year and a half ago is gone.